Good morning and happy Tuesday. I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. It's now time to get back to work. I just wanted to drop in here in week 3 and tell everybody what a great job you've been doing so far. Everybody's doing their homeworks and their quizzes, and your discussion boards are pretty interesting. I didn't realize how many nurses, physical therapy assistants, and veterinarians that we have in class this semester. It's a very biological class. Don't forget, Wednesday discussion boards due tomorrow night, Wednesday. We'll also have developmental psych is going to be the topic for the Wednesday webinar. I've got some really cool videos that you won't want to miss, so hopefully you'll show up there. Don't forget, quiz 3 and homework 3 are due on Sunday night. For those of you who missed quizzes this past weekend, unfortunately you can't make quizzes up, but you do get to drop your lowest quiz grade. So if you made a 0, your first one is free. If you haven't turned in your writing assignments, remember you can turn them in for a small late penalty the week that they're due, and then after 5 days you can then turn them in at any point during the semester for half credit. If I have any questions, I'll be in office hours Tuesday and Wednesday morning from 10 to 12. Just bump in my virtual office and we can chat. Have a great day and get something done.